If I could ever take this home, I'd be a happy girl. Hello. I think my Christmas list just got longer. It's literally called the Serpentine Top Panel Crystal Sparkle Bag. And we have another very special piece from the upcoming collection. They finally got one in. Look at this little beauty. I got a little birthday present from Bulgari. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So can you see behind me there? That's the Hermes queue. It's a Sunday morning and people are already queuing at Hermes, and the same actually is happening at Chanel. Long queues. Welcome back to London. It's a beautiful day with baby blue skies and sunshine, and you guys know how I start my day. So we're on our way to Bulgari right now because there's a high jewelry exhibition, high jewelry event currently happening, and Dina invited me and you guys, of course. And yeah, I think we're just gonna enjoy the day, look at everything, see if they've got some new bags as well, and yeah. Cheers guys! And guys, look at beautiful Bond Street in the morning. It is ice cold today. We only got like 10 degrees Celsius, 11 at the best. Oh, look at these beautiful flowers. Okay, let's head in. Hi guys, we made it to Bulgari and it is so freezing cold, but it's so nice and warm in here. I'm just warming up. And yeah guys, so I'm just wearing this nice little and other stories dress today. I absolutely love it because I love the pearls. I'm very Chanel-esque in my opinion. And honestly, the light in here is always the absolute best. I mean, I'm gonna show you all of this now. You guys know the Serpenti line is my absolute favorite. I was once wearing this. It's like 1.6 million. The entire set is like probably above 4. But yeah, Jennifer Lopez was just wearing this before me, which was quite a nice little side story. Oh, but look at all these Serpenti pieces. Wow, we're in for a treat today, guys. Wow, look at this. Incredible. Guys, look at this room. I mean, the light is incredible in here. And look at the flowers. So stunning. You know, my absolute favorite line from Bulgari is the very fine Serpenti Viper jewelry pieces. I absolutely love them so much. So this is the shorter version. We're just gonna try the longer version on now. So Dina's just bringing the other piece. This is of course very, you know, I think I wanted white gold today because I have the pearls. Usually Dina knows I go for rose gold all the time, but today let's try this. And there we got the Serpenti Viper necklace in white gold with the diamonds. Guys, what a dream. Guys, here we are with the longer Serpenti Viper necklace. Yeah, this is it. This is just my favorite look. I mean, look at it. The rose gold version that we all know, of course, has diamonds on every other scale, whereas this one, can we see that? This one has diamonds on every single scale. Okay guys, let's go. Guys, I'm here with Virginie now, and she's going to tell us more about all of these special pieces.
So what you're seeing here is part of our Color Treasures collection of high jewelry. Bulgari really is known as the master of colored gemstones, and it's not just because we source some of the most beautiful, brightly colored gemstones, it's also because of our use of how we mix the colored gemstones. You can see here this aquamarine, the quartz, the rubellites, they're surrounded with amethysts, okay, and this is just to make the colors pop. So this is really one of the particularities of Bulgari design, is not just our use of colored gemstones, but how we will mix complementary colors together.
Look at these colors.
This is one of my favorite earrings. I think you really see,
yes,
you know, how we mix colored and you really get the sense of Italy as well. When you see these colors, you're kind of picturing yourself, you know, on the Amalfi Coast, maybe beautiful bright sea, bright orange spritz. It's the colors of Italy that we see. And of course, we can't forget this year is 75 years of Serpenti. So the very first Serpenti creation Bulgari ever made was actually a secret watch, and this is a tradition we still continue today. We have many secret watches in the collection, but it also turned into a jewelry line.
Yes.
One of the key distinguishing features of Serpenti jewelry with Bulgari is just how flexible it is. So you really have very kind of modular construction that allows for a great deal of flexibility, a great deal of comfort when you wear it, and very clever kind of design. So the clasp is just beneath the head. You can wear it as a double wrap, more like a choker, or as you see it here.
Yeah. Wow, look at this, guys.
And the serpent has always had an interesting symbolism since ancient times, particularly in the ancient Mediterranean region, whether it was ancient Egypt, ancient Greece, or ancient Rome. The snake has a symbol of eternal life, okay, especially the snake eating its own tail, as we can see here. A symbol of rebirth, because the snake sheds its skin. Metamorphosis, changes, and I think we can all relate to going through changes. And a symbol of protection. And actually the symbol of protection is an interesting one because you see it across different cultures. So leaving our Mediterranean roots, going to places like Southeast Asia or even the Aztecs, the snake was a symbol of protection there as well. Wow. And beautiful with a little Paraiba tourmaline top.
First of all, let me show you the highlight when it comes to bags today. Dina is here with me.
It's a really special piece indeed. It is a Serpenti Forever top handle bag in Fuji crocodile, which comes with its own adaptable attachment, which you can personalize your bag with. It's a head of a snake in white golden diamonds set with sapphires, and you can remove it and attach it and detach it.
We're gonna show you this now. So you can either wear it as a little necklace, as a little choker, or you can of course use the little head and attach it to the bag. Look at this masterpiece. So this is, we just looked up the price, it is 420,000 euro, and it is a Fuji. As you can see, Fuji Serpenti Forever top handle bag. Okay guys, let's try this beauty on. I mean, you guys know I usually prefer gold or rose gold jewelry, but today, you know, with the pearls here, I felt like I wanted a little bit more white gold on me, and it was a good choice. I mean, this necklace goes phenomenally well with this Fuji Himalayan Serpenti Forever, and well, what can I tell you guys? I'm in love. This, yeah, if I could ever take this home, I'd be a happy girl. Look at this in the light, absolutely incredible. We got a couple other bags to look at, but I think this one stole the show. Look at the skin, how absolutely gorgeous it is. Wow. Yeah. Dina's trying to get us a bag from the new collection to already have a look at it, but while she is getting that, this is a regular Fuji, still super exclusive and special of course, but you have the regular clasp, and I was thinking let me show you these bags quickly, and of course one of my favorites, this baby, pure liquid gold. I mean, what? I've shown you this one before, but I feel like I have to show it to you again. It's like, I'm so drawn to anything that's like gold. Look at this one. Stunning. This one is quite heavy because of the metal frame. And beautiful grey. And iridescent white croc. And guys, this one is so much more beautiful in reality. My phone can't really capture it. It's like a rainbow. It's white, but it has like a rainbow iridescent shine. And then look at the gemstones. Here she is. Here she is. Wow. Okay, I would say let's try her on again, because I am in love. Both stunning, stunning pieces. Which one do you prefer? I mean, guys, if you know me, I want to take both home. For sure. I mean, look how this pops against my black outfit. Wow. Yeah, stunning. I mean, just imagine you walk in to any event with this bag. Wow. All eyes on you, if you ask me. This one is just one of a kind. I mean, they all are. I think my Christmas list just got longer. Okay guys, and Dina just found this piece from the new collection already. This is a Serpenti, well, a Serpentine top handle bag in, well, it's called Crystal Sparkle, and the color is antique bronze. And you need to see the details. It's really heavy. It's beautiful weight, very substantial, very luxurious. It's covered in all of these crystals. This is thousands and thousands and thousands of them, and it is £5,100. Guys, and here we are with the crystal sparkle bag. It's literally called the Serpentine top handle crystal sparkle bag. I mean, yes, it's covered in all of these black and bronze, antique bronze crystals. And I mean, it's just a sea of bling. If you ask me, this is my favorite bag in the world. You guys know I've got 3 of those. There will be probably more in the future because it's so incredible. Yeah, we've seen so many pieces already. Let me know which one's your favorite so far. Okay, seeing them all together, let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. If you could pick freely, which one would you pick? We wanted to show you the bags in the sunlight because there's actually sunlight coming through at the moment, and it is just too beautiful not to show you this. Look at this. This is the Fuji bag in daylight. This is just absolutely incredible. And also, of course, can you see this effect? The little sun ray falling onto this bag. Incredible. Really beautiful. And of course, the golden beauty.
The sapphires and the diamonds are incredible.
Yeah. Wow. And I mean, if we do all the crocodile exotic pieces today, then why not show you this iridescent beauty as well? Really, you have to come into the boutiques and look at these pieces in reality. My camera is absolutely lazy today. It doesn't want to catch the rainbow shimmer. Guys, and we have another very special piece from the upcoming collection. This is another crystal sparkle bag, and it's got diamonds on the clasp. How amazing is this? Look at the effect. Wow, this is the other bag from the new collection. And the best news is, it's not actually diamonds on the clasp, it is crystals. So believe it or not, you would think this bag is like, I don't know, 50k, even more if these were diamonds. And it's not diamonds, it's crystals. Guess the price, guys. Guess the price. £4,800. What? Are you mind blown as well? And guys, I cannot tell you often enough how much I love Carong Bulgari bags, because this is probably your most durable exotic. Because of the scales, they won't lift. It's not like a python. It's very, very durable. Not even rain, I would say. Like a couple raindrops are not gonna do anything to this bag. So if you want an exotic that is fairly priced, reasonably priced, and very durable, I would always say go for Caro. Do you want to have a look at their watches? They are absolutely incredible. You need to push the little. This is the watch when you open it. Isn't it incredible? Can you see all the diamonds? Wow. And guys, can you believe it? They got the buyer now in the gold python. What a color.
Molten python.
It's molten python, guys, and
flake with the skin. Doesn't feel flaky at all. It's really beautiful and smooth.
Amazing. Okay, I'm in love. I'm very, very much in love. I was waiting for the buyer in the gold python. I've seen a picture weeks and weeks and weeks ago, and they finally got one in. They finally got one in, and can you believe it? This is a python bag. You know how expensive python bags usually are, right? Guess the price again. Guess the price. It is £3,140. Mind blown. Guys, this is just incredible. And of course, it comes with these 2 straps. There's a third one actually if you buy this bag, and you can use these to actually, you know, basically transform them in a long strap, and then you can wear it on your shoulder, you can wear it crossbody. I would wear it like this. Hi. Guys, you know me, I'm not very often speechless, but hey ho, here we are. So this is the bag on the shoulder. Oh, I'm in love. I'm still, well, I don't have a buyer bag in my collection yet. Thoughts? Should we change that, guys? Should we get a little buyer bag? Well, this one might be it. Just look at this. Usually, guys, python skin, the scales lift a little. They've treated it in such a beautiful way that the scales don't even lift. Wow, I mean, look at this. And you can actually just wear this clutch as well. It is so soft and almost velvety.
Almost velvety.
It's really smooth, and you don't have to worry about any of the scales lifting.
It would never lift.
Wow. Okay guys, oh, what an amazing day. Look at this little beauty. I got a little birthday present from Bulgari, so we're gonna see what that is as soon as we're back in the hotel. Yeah guys, wow, 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 so many amazing new bags. Let me know what code you are I. And yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease, right? And yeah guys, I see you again very, very soon. Bye!